going to make cranberry orange bread. For this bread, I will show you the dry ingredient first. We need all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix all the dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix with the whisk. For the white ingredients, you need granulated sugar, 1 egg, orange juice, fresh milk, orange zest, vanilla extract, canola oil, and we need also cranberry. I use dried cranberry. You can use fresh cranberry or frozen cranberry because it's difficult to find here for the fresh cranberry, so I use dried cranberry. And walnut you chop in the small pieces. Now you mix together sugar, orange zest, and canola oil, and you beat with the low speed. Then you add the egg and mix it again. Add vanilla extract, and after that you mix it again until all well combined. Pour half of the flour mixture into the wet ingredients and then you mix it again. You add the orange juice because you see the butter is dry, and then you mix it until well combined. Add the rest of the flour, and after that you mix it again until well combined. Now you add the fresh milk and you mix it again until everything mix incorporated. Fold in the cranberries and the walnuts and you mix with spatula just until combined. Don't overmix for this. I will use a mini loaf pan. If you want to use another loaf pan, you can use 12 by 25 centimeter loaf pan. And I will pour the butter here. preheat your oven 175 degrees Celsius and bake this for 20 until 25 minutes. Now I will try. I cut this first. You see this? And it's really soft. Nice. Inside have a lot of cranberries and walnuts, and so soft, moist, and not so sweet. Perfect for your coffee. I like this. If you try this, tell me the result. Okay? See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.